So SNP has been in business for nearly 3 decades, and we specialize in transformations for different large enterprises as they're changing their SAP landscape or in some way moving. We've done everything from the largest merger in corporate history to the largest split in corporate history were both done by us. And SUSE is a perfect partner for us because very often when a company does a transformation, at the same time they're moving to Linux and replatforming their systems. So greenfield and brownfield are two industry, let's call them standard approaches when a company tries to do a transformation to S4. SUSE here again works with us because during the transformation to S4, very often a company is considering a replatforming, and that's part of our enabling technology. So with our Bluefield approach, what happens is the client actually has the power to choose which data they want to move, which processes they actually want to move to S4. They actually have the flexibility to combine that with other initiatives. So perhaps a merger, a divestiture, a harmonization, a replatforming to Linux with SUSE as an example. So overall, our Bluefield approach really gives the client the best of all worlds. You have power, you have flexibility, and you have full control over what you want to move, when, and how. So SNP has a large portfolio of software products that we use to do our transformations. Now our latest product, Crystal Bridge, is really the culmination of many years of effort to bring all of this data together and allow a client to visualize their SAP landscape and visualize the transformation to see how it will actually impact their company. On top of this, we lay on our predictive analytics and artificial intelligence. So we take the data from our core products and we actually turn them into actionable intelligence that a client can act upon and make decisions. The 3 projects that we like to talk about are really the largest corporate split in history, Hewlett-Packard, the largest merger in history, Dow-DuPont, which is happening right now, as well as Kellogg's, which was a good example where we combined 6 different initiatives into one project, which was in essence then for the client a single testing cycle and a single downtime at the end. So SUSE is actually a very key partner for SNP. It's interesting because most of the times when we do a transformation project, it's either coming from the business side or from the technology side. Now obviously SUSE is much more interested in technology side, and because of the software we have and the projects that we do the way we do them, we're able to pull in the technology side even if it's the business that's coming to us to do a transformation. Because we allow them to say, okay, we're going to do a merger and at the same time we're going to replatform to Linux. Perfect combination between SUSE and SNP. It's truly a symbiotic relationship.